In this video, we'll look at some basic Python expressions. So I'm going to open the Python interpreter. And here we see a prompt. It's Python version 3.10. And we're just going to experiment with the Python shell. So if we type an expression, let's just type 10, enter. We see that Python evaluates what we entered and it displays the result of our expression, right? So 10 plus 1 come up as 11. 10 divided by 4, 2.5, right? 10 with a double slash, which is floor division in Python, gives us a 2. Or if we did negative 10, floor division 4, we get a negative 3 because it is floor division. It's always going to round to the lowest number. What if we divide by 0? Oh, we can see here that we have a 0 division error is our type of error, and our message is division by 0 and occurred on line 1, which we're in the shell. So line 1 is just the line we previously typed. Let's see, we divide 0 by 10, 0. If we use floor division, one thing you notice is that you get a 0 as opposed to a 0.0, right? This one's returning you a float. This one's returning you an integer. And we can test that by using type 010. And it tells us the result of 010, which is 0 divided by 10, the result of 0 divided by 10, which is passed into type, is of type float. The result using floor division is of type int, right? Because we're always rounding, so it might as well be an int. There would be no fractional component. And we can get more complicated, right? So no matter what expression we type, the Python interpreter will return the result. And we can see the order of operations are being followed. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Now here we use parentheses to tell the Python interpreter that we want to process 2 plus 1 before we multiply by 8. Right? So we get the result of 2 plus 1 is 3, and then it's 8 times 3, which gives us a result of 24. And here you see division by 0 is 6 minus 6 is 0, and then 12 divided by 0 is an error. And this is the conclusion of our small training on basic expressions in Python.